Today for Love Our Schools Day, we have a few projects going on. One of our biggest projects is planting over 40 trees around campus.
Today we're planting somewhere around 50 trees. We got a grant from APS to put the trees in and add some shade to our campus.
Push it down. Got it.
We have a rare opportunity to give back to our communities with whether it's manpower, people power, time, money, effort. The company really enjoys it when we do come out and give back to our communities.
It's good to see, the local churches, APS volunteers, parents, kids, clubs, athletes kind of come together to keep this school looking beautiful.
We are also working in our tortoise habitat today to raise their den.
Had to dig the little guy out. He's not very happy.
We're gonna try to just get this up just a little bit so that the tortoise can get under a little bit easier.
We are rebuilding their den. Their den is too small because of the big gal Chase. She can't get in and out.
And then we're also building a shed for the tools and the gardening club that's associated with our tortoise habitat.
Making a flat surface so we can build the shed and it's nicely leveled.
We'll put these in the ground so they don't move or budge anymore.
It is amazing. The Litchfield community is just so giving and so thoughtful to come out and help us. We've got volunteers from different groups in our own community here at Wigwam Creek, and then we also have so many of our staff and students here today as well, coming together to just help beautify our campus and show the love that we have and are able to give back.
We're thankful for our partnership with School Connect, the resources they bring, and just the overall guidance. Their vision is very similar to ours in that you build great schools, you have great communities, and vice versa. So I'm just really proud to be a part of their organization and really rely on all the different network solutions they bring us and just partners.